Hello, my friend.
Oh! What a pleasant surprise. Just got home from the grocery store. Let's check out what I got. Mmm. 3-minute microwave pizza from Kroger. Boy, am I excited about this. My grandma's coming for dinner tonight, and she is going to flip out. She loves these things. By golly, what are we waiting for? Let's get it cooking! The first step to cooking one of these bad boys is putting it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Let's get it cooking. Dang it. What button is it? Oh. Right. It's not that one. Wait, is it? No. The Kroger 3-minute microwave pizza is done, and boy howdy does it look good. Oh, there you are, Grandma. I didn't see her come in. I didn't see you come in. I guess we'll eat some of this pizza now. She's happy. A fun game I like to play is how many vegetables can you count on your food? And I bought this Supreme style specifically to increase the nutrient level. So I like to count how many vegetables you can find. And this one is a doozy. It's got tons of vegetables. How many can you count? Because there's so many vegetables. Now my grandma loves healthy food. And if you are one of the viewers out there who loves healthy food as well, and even though this pizza has tons of vegetables on it, and you want to up your game and make it even more healthy, I'll show you how to do that in 3 simple ways.
Chia seeds were used by the ancient Aztec warriors and are also an excellent source of fatty acids such as alpha and omega-3s. It also helps to dump a whole bag of plants on top. It doesn't matter what kind of plants.
Now the third and final step, which is a game changer, is to get yourself a multivitamin grinder. I love this thing. I use it on every single meal that I have. I'll show you how it works. Now, the multivitamin grinder works just like your regular peppercorn grinder. You fill it full of all manner of nutrients. We have glucosamine sulfate, vitamin C, and various other nutritional substances. And then you just grind them. You can just see that just piling on there. You can kind of smell health, you know? If you know what health smells like, it smells really good. watching. Grandma and I are super happy that you're here with us and learning some of our tricks of the trade. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys around.